Good morning, everybody. This is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a 2022 Grand Design Imagine, and yesterday I did a video on this, and so I just wanted to do a follow-up. When you see the videos and stuff that we put out, we're trying not to make it also sound so negative. So we're going to try to start a new video series on each brand, model, make, year, and more so try to get back to the hey, what's going on in the shop, and also to, hey, Dustin, how do I maintain and repair my RV, right? So on this unit, this is a 2800BH Grand Design Imagine. Again, it's a 2022. So far, this customer that's been in here, he's had, I think over the last few years, he's had a full roof replacement because he had some tree damage. He's had some frame issues that we took care of, that we found during, I think, an inspection prior, or maybe he found it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video in a second, but then I'm going to pick up on a couple things. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know to, let's start learning. Let's learn what's going on with these coaches. Let's learn how to fix them. Let's learn how to maintain them. And so that you can go out and continue to enjoy them, camp, and have fun and make lots of memories. So, all right. Well, thanks so much for listening to my nonsense. And you guys have a great day. This is Dustin, your RV specialist. And we'll be back shortly with some more videos on this unit.